We've done about 32 tons of bottled water that we distributed to old age homes. We did to schools, to educational centres, to creches, to clinics and so forth. Then as far as the tankers, these tankers take about 7 ton each. Each truck basically does about 5 loads per day. So if you do your calculations on that, at a stage we had 5 teams running on the ground on a daily basis.
And when the truck comes, everyone wants their bit of water. So maybe we live in a long street. So if the truck comes like on top of the road, then there's a lot of people, then the truck is empty, turn around, and then we have to wait until it comes again. It was a struggle. Because sometimes we get like 2 buckets of water and then we need to share it for a family of like 6 or 7 people. And I don't even want to speak about the toilet facilities. That's disastrous. Living here in Knysna all my life, and I'm 43 now. So for 43 years I've lived in Knysna. And now Knysna is at its worst.
Like, you won't do nothing with 20 liters of water. Like, you have to cook, you have to wash dishes. At the same time, you have to wash clothes, maybe uniforms. Like, it's my mom, grandmom, my cousin brother, and my sister, my niece, my sister's boy. Yeah, so
Hy het afgebrand en daar was nie juist regtig water om die vuur te blus nie. Met ander woorde, selfs ons het maar net daar gestaan en ons het probeer om water te kry om te help dat die vuur dood moet gemaak word. Dit gebeur in een van die gebeurtes toe. Dat is een van die gebeurtes hier in Knysna. En die fire department het toe uitgekom om die vuur dood te blus. Maar eers na 2, 3 uur. Die huis is tot niet gebruikt.